data of smartwatches in Flipkart website through UiPath. So for that we need to open the UiPath Studio, and we are in design page right now. So we are opening the main workflow system, and we have already this box open, that is sequence. So let us drop the activity here. For that, in activity box we need to choose open browser. It says insert URL here, text must be quoted. So the URL would be flipkart.com, and we have given in quotes. So let us give a delay time also for the website to be opened. So delay, at the delay option we are giving us 2 seconds. Okay, and here open browser, we can choose the browser type, and the same is provided in the properties section. In the input section you have a browser type. So let us choose, I'm choosing Chrome, you can choose anything. See, you can choose Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, or Edge. So I'm choosing Chrome. I'm just saving it and running the file. See, the Flipkart is open. Okay, let us just minimize this and go to the next step. Our next step would be type into indicate on screen. So we need to indicate where we'll search the product. So which product you would like to choose? I am trying to choose smartwatches, so I'm giving the same codes. And let us give another activity, say click. Okay, and once again let us save this and run the file. Smartwatches, click, and you can see all the smartwatches page is open, and there are multiple pages, 10, and might be more also. So what is the next step? So these smartwatches data together we would like to extract in the Excel sheet is our project. So now what is the process for it? Let us once again open the UiPath Studio, and let us add an activity. So for that we need to give no let us choose the data scraping option here in UiPath Studio, because we are trying to extract the data. So let us choose this data scraping, and it's asking us to select an element, which element you would like to extract the data from. And I'm say next, and I'm choosing this one. Okay, so we need to select the second element also. It says to create a pattern you need to indicate a similar field, preferably last in collection. Okay, so what we are trying to do, what we have to do is we need to drag this down in the same page, the last one preferably, and which has the same pattern. So click next and choose this option. Fine. So we need to text column name. So let us give it as title, and we would like to have an URL extraction also. So let us choose that one and write URL here. So say next. So here you have a preview data where it shows all the brand smartwatches and also the URL for the same. So here we have to give maximum number of results, yes, and 0 for all. So we have to give 0 because we would like to have the maximum results. And we would like to have the extra data also, that is we would like to have the price for this. So what is a next process we need to do is we have to extract the correlated data. So which one you would like to extract? Now I would like to extract the price. So repeat the same process. You need to drag it down the same page, the last one, and you have to choose the next, and you have to choose the price. You have to give the column name, price, and say next. So here you can see the prices also. So if you want to extract some more data, you need to again go to the top one, and let us say extract correlate data. I'm just trying to choose the mm, rating. So for the next one, we need to drag it down and open this page, say next, and choose this one. Okay, let us give the name for this rating. Let us say next, and we'll try to complete this one. So I'm done with it. You can give more let correlated data, whichever you would like to choose, and for me this is enough, so I'm trying to finish it up. So let us say finish. So it is asking whether you would like to have from multiple pages on the same page, but I would like to have from multiple pages the data, so I say yes, and for that option would be next. Okay. For us, the next step would be where you want all this data to be extracted. I would like to extract all the data in my Excel file. So for that we have to choose an activity, say Excel application, Excel application scope. So we need to give a path where you would like to extract this data. Where is your Excel sheet? You need to give that path. So let us choose this one, and in documents blank process 3, let us uh, take a new Excel worksheet and name it as say smartwatches uh, Flipkart, and let us choose this one and open it. So the path has been chosen, and once again let us try to have the same path. Oh, yeah, path has been chosen, and here the visible option is marked ticked, and let us uncheck it. And here next option would be we have to choose the range. So let us write range. Here let it be sheet 1, but not this one. And here we say extract data table. Okay, and we would like to add the headers because we are given the title names and everything, so we are just adding the headers for us to make the work easy. So I think now everything is complete, and let us save this and try to run the file. We can see it is extracting the data from multiple pages. Still the process is running. Let it get stopped and we shall open the Excel sheet. Fine. Now let us open the Excel sheet. No, I don't think this is the path where we have. See, this is the Excel sheet where we have extracted the data. As you can see, the title, URL, price, and the rating. And we have the UiPath has extracted the maximum data. See, we can see the maximum data it got extracted, and still see till 865 smartwatches data we have received here. So this is through UiPath. How what we have done, we have extracted the data of smartwatches. So this is the process. You can just save this. This is it, friends. So this is the process how we would like to extract the data uh, of anything from website through UiPath.